Convenience is not just about having the right tools, but how they improve your daily routine. Last year, juggling work and family was a challenge, and I needed something to make my mornings easier. That's when I came across the one-touch egg cooker. With its easy, one-touch operation and auto shut-off feature, breakfast preparation became a breeze. Just imagine placing up to 7 eggs in a sleek stainless steel cooker and getting perfectly cooked eggs every time. No more guessing or waiting by the stove. This egg cooker effortlessly manages precise temperature control, making sure your eggs are cooked just the way you like them every single time. From the moment I started using it, my mornings became more productive and stress-free. From the moment I started using it, it's not just an appliance, it's a game changer for your kitchen routine. Whether you're hosting brunch or simply need a quick breakfast, this compact yet efficient device meets all your needs. Its stainless steel body promises durability and blends seamlessly into any kitchen decor, adding a touch of modern elegance. Join the thousands who have transformed their mornings with this top-rated product. Experience the simplicity and perfection this egg cooker brings to your life. Trust me, once you try it, it will become an indispensable part of your kitchen arsenal. Trust me, once you try, feel the ease, appreciate the time-saving efficiency, and enjoy perfectly cooked eggs like never before. Feel the ease. Get your one-touch egg cooker today and revolutionize your morning routine.